Welcome to a guide to your child's first day of preschool. Today, we'll provide you with essential tips and insights to ensure a smooth transition for both you and your little one. Step 1. Preparation. Packing your child's backpack with essentials like a nutritious lunch, a water bottle, and a comforting toy can help ease any anxieties they may have about their first day. Step 2. Communication. Engage in open conversations with your child about what to expect at preschool. Discussing routines, activities, and meeting new friends can help alleviate any apprehensions. Step 3. Arrival. Arriving at preschool with a positive attitude and a warm smile sets the tone for a great first day. Encourage your child to embrace this new adventure with enthusiasm. Step 4. Exploration. Encourage your child to explore the classroom, participate in activities, and interact with their peers. This fosters independence and confidence. Step 5. Goodbyes. Saying goodbye can be emotional, but remember to reassure your child that you'll be back to pick them up. Establishing a consistent goodbye routine can help ease separation anxiety. Starting preschool is a significant milestone in your child's life. It's a time for growth, learning, and making cherished memories. As you reflect on your child's first day of preschool, remember to celebrate their accomplishments and embrace the exciting journey ahead. Thank you for joining us for a guide to your child's first day of preschool. Wishing you and your little one a wonderful preschool experience.